Looking for the best AI image enhancer to turn your blurry, old, or low-resolution photos into sharp, stunning visuals? This video is for you. Today, we are exploring Aiarty Image Enhancer, an advanced AI-powered tool that restores, sharpens, and upscales your photos all the way up to 32K resolution. Whether you are working with old family photos, AI-generated art, product shots, or professional photography, Aiarty transforms your images into crisp, high-quality results in just seconds. Download and setup. You can download Aiarty Image Enhancer using the official link in the video description. The installation process is simple on both Windows and Mac OS. Once you open the software, you will notice a clean and fast interface designed for all types of creators. On the left, you get a live preview window that lets you compare before and after versions. At the bottom, there is a batch processing gallery where you can drop multiple images for bulk enhancement. On the right, you will find the AI control panel where you can select enhancement models, adjust strength, apply face restoration, choose color correction settings, and configure export options. Why Aiarty is the best AI image enhancer. Aiarty stands out because it combines advanced AI models with unmatched speed and precision. It offers multiple enhancement models based on different types of images. More Detail GANV3 is designed specifically for portraits and faces. It enhances skin texture, hair details, and eye clarity while maintaining a natural look. It avoids the artificial over-sharpening that most enhancers struggle with. AIGC Smooth V3 focuses on AI-generated art, anime, and illustrations. It reduces jagged edges, smooths textures, and preserves vibrant colors, making your artwork look polished and clean. More Detail GANV2 is ideal for landscapes, cityscapes, and architecture. It brings out sharp details in buildings, skies, and wide scenes without losing realism. Smooth Diff V2 is excellent for restoring old, noisy, or low-quality photos. It removes noise, smooths artifacts, revives faded colors, and brings clarity to old memories. Real Photo V3 enhances real photography, boosting sharpness, lighting, and depth. It delivers almost DSLR-level results for travel, outdoor, or product shots. Hardware performance Aiarty is optimized for the latest NVIDIA RTX 50 series GPUs and includes Tensor RT acceleration, making it one of the fastest offline image enhancers you can use. Even large, high-resolution images process extremely quickly thanks to this optimization. Aiarty maintains sharpness even at higher zoom levels. Advanced features. Aiarty includes several professional-level features. You can upscale images up to 32K resolution, allowing you to print or use them for high-end projects. For extremely blurry photos, Aiarty offers a two-pass processing mode that performs deep enhancement in multiple stages. Face restoration helps recover facial details in old photos or low-quality portraits. The color correction panel lets you adjust exposure, contrast, saturation, temperature, and tint for precise visual control. Aiarty also includes an image prompt and text tool that lets you preserve AI prompts or overlay text before exporting. If you are searching for the best AI image enhancer, Aiarty Image Enhancer is a complete solution. You can restore old photos, enhance your AI art, or prepare professional quality visuals without any complicated editing. To try it yourself, download Aiarty using the link in the description. Explore the full potential of AI-powered photo enhancement and experience why creators consider Aiarty one of the top image enhancement tools available today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more